Hello dear children, welcome back once again to the English class. So let's revise whatever we have studied in our previous chapters. So let's begin with English revision part 4. Choose the correct answer. The first question, there are bridges on the dash. So your options are A. Seas, B. Rivers, C. Trees, D. Houses. So choose the correct answer. Which of the following is the correct answer? A. Seas, B. Rivers, C. Trees, D. Houses. So your answer is B. Rivers. So there are bridges on the rivers. So rivers is the correct answer. So let us spell it R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. There are bridges on the rivers. So let's move to the next question. Number 2. Dash builds a road from earth to sky. So here the question is, Dash builds a road from earth to sky. Let's see the options. Option A, seas, B, water, C, sky, D, rainbow. So choose the correct answer. Dash builds a road from earth to sky. Which is correct? Yes. G, rainbow is the correct answer. So let's spell it R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow builds a road from earth to sky. Let's move to the next one. Third one. Better looking. What is the meaning of better looking? Options are A. Ugly, B. Prettier, C. Good, D. Bad. So choose the correct answer. Which of the following is the correct answer? So the correct answer is B. Prettier. Let's spell it P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier. Better looking, prettier. Number 4. The planet on which we live. So what is the planet on which we live? Options are A. Earth, B. Water, C. Sky, D. House. Can I read the options? A. Earth, B. Water, C. Sky, D. House. So which of the following is the correct answer? Choose the correct answer, children. So the correct answer is A. Earth. So let's spell it E-A-R-T-H, Earth. The planet on which we live, Earth. Number 5. The question is, the poet of the rainbow poem is dash. So the poet of the rainbow poem is dash. So the options are A. Gianni Kirby, B. Nicholas Horsburgh, C. Rose Flyman, D. Christina Rossetti. So choose the correct answer. Who is the poet of the poem The Rainbow? So which is the correct answer, children? It is Christina Rossetti. So let's spell it C-H-R-I-S-T-I-N-A, Christina, R-O-S-S-E-T-T-I, Rossetti. Christina Rossetti. So number 6 question. We sail in this. We can sail in this. Dash. Options are A. Seas, B. Aeroplane, C. Boats, D. Bus. Once again I will read the options for you. A. Seas, B. Aeroplane, C. Boats, D. Bus. So which of the following is the correct answer? Choose the correct answer, children. It is boats. So we sail in this, that is boats. So let's spell it B-O-A-T-S, boats. Once again, B-O-A-T-S, boats. So number 7, white and fluffy, it floats in the sky. So what is white and fluffy and it floats in the sky? So options are A. Clouds, B. Water, C. Leaves, D. Trees. So choose the correct answer. So the answer is A. Clouds. So let's spell it C-L-O-U-D-S clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S clouds. So white and fluffy, it floats in the sky. That is clouds. Thank you.